I will show you how to track and find your lost package on wizzair. So first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open wizzair.com on your web browser, head over to the Help Center or the Help bar, click on Help Center, click on Damage and Lost Bags and Items, so click on Damage Deletes and Lost Bags, and click on Lost Package Tracking. So this how to track, click on Traceback to start tracing your bag. This will redirect you to the self-service user interface. Click on Create Report to start creating your report. Add your passenger details, add your boarding pass, and then your receipt for your checked baggage to start tracking your baggage. Click on Continue. This will click on Add Flight Details, then add your baggage details and passenger details and review and submit your form. This is the way to track your lost baggage. You can also report a clean submission, so you're multiplying the submission in 30 days to start tracking your baggage. And this is the reporting procedure. So type in the date you lost baggage. These are the steps to do at the airport. Up a level on your destination. Just the baggage claim or lost baggage found test in the airport. Fill the report to receive an email for further instructions. And also the report is filled, you start searching the bug immediately. So this will start searching for your bugs. And also the bugs are located in the SMS or email notification will be sent to you. And you can check and search for bug tracing on this website. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.